Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is Friday, the 28th of September 2007. It's right now 15 minutes, 10 minutes actually, to noon London time, and I triggered a short entry on the euro against the New Zealand dollar about 2 minutes ago, based on a setup that I was spotting on the 30 minutes chart. Okay. I was telling the guys in my mailing list this morning that let me scroll out a little bit. All right. First of all, as you can see, we have that a clear moving average formation. Okay, basically we have what's basically a channel. All right, a very clear channel here. Okay, price has retraced back to the upper end of the channel. Okay, back to the dynamic area of resistance, which already held the bounce, the swing on the previous swing, and it seems like it's doing so now again. Okay. Also, if we go back into the 4 hours time, or actually let's go into the daily, we can go back into the daily. There is a very clear right there, there is a very clear double bottom formation. Okay, it's the 18800 number. Okay, round number. Very clear double bottom formation. Okay, I was waiting. Actually, I was telling the guys on my mailing list about this setup yesterday. Okay, and it's triggered today. As you can see, we had we had a previous uptrend. Okay, this is the daily chart, remember. Okay. We have a clear uptrend. Okay, going back to July, actually the end of July, it rallied up very nicely. Okay, for about 2,000 pips, 3,000 pips actually. Then along that trend, it found support twice. Firstly here, then as that trend came to an end, I mean the uptrend came to an end, it found support once again at this level, and I was basically looking for this level to give way to the downside in order to confirm the beginning on the daily of this new trend. Okay, which once again it's actually a channel also on the daily charts, as you can see. All right, so I was waiting for that level, that key level, the 18800 number to break out. Okay, now it was a matter of finding the proper entry level. Okay, which it's come in the shape of the 30-minute chart. As you can see, well, this is my live chart. Okay, it's this is the breakout of that 188 level, which happened throughout the Tokyo session. Okay, it's gone back to retest it. Okay, from below, and also along the dynamic area of resistance, and also we have from here to here. Actually, from here down to here, right there is the 38 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so we have different elements of support, resistance, coming along at the same level. Okay, once again 18800, very important key level. Okay, I was telling the guys on my mailing list, I sent the email around, price was around here as the London market opened, and that I was waiting a retrace back to that level, and from there I would look for a reversal formation of that level in order to trigger my short entry. As I explained on my trading course, here we have the reversal formation, or what I understand as a reversal formation. You never know, I might easily screw this up and score a loss. I don't know, I don't have a crystal ball, but nonetheless I think it's a valid setup. First of all, we have a double top. Okay, at that level, at the 188, actually it fell shy 10 pips from the 18800. Okay, it went all the way up to 187.90, but nonetheless it's close enough in my opinion. All right, so we have a double top formation along with a breakout of the retracement trend line. Okay, this is what I explained on my course. For you guys who've taken my course, please review. I think it's the chapter number 3 where I explain all this stuff. Anyway, go and review that. So we have a breakout of the retracement trend line, and finally the actual entry comes with the breakout pullback continuation aspect of that retracement trend line. Do you guys see that there? Okay, the retracement, sorry, the breakout pullback continuation pattern. Okay, after the reversal formation, after having retraced back to that key level 188.00 from below, all right, except under dynamic area of resistance, etc., etc. Okay, in my opinion, it's a very clear setup. I'm pretty confident on this setup. If it turns sour, if it turns around and knocks out my stop loss, which is placed, by the way, 5 pips above the round number, it's placed at 187.55. Like I say, if it turns around and, well, I score a loss, I have no complaints whatsoever. It was a nice setup, and I had to take it. Okay, it's a very valid setup. Also, it's triggered before the noon hour in London, so I gotta be disciplined to my system and follow the rules. So I have taken this trade. I'm effectively short on the euro against the New Zealand dollar. Let me repeat the levels. Entry price 187.38, stop loss 187.55. My first target will be the previous swing low. As usual, I like to scale out a few pips, few lots. At the previous swing low at 186.83. All right, so in this first half of the trade, I'm aiming for about 50 pips, and then I will let the second half of the trade run to the final target at 186.00. As usual, I like to exit a few pips before hitting the round number. Okay, so I'm gonna exit at 186.05. Okay, I'm gonna be shooting for about 125 pips on this second half of the trade, and about 50 pips on the 55 pips actually, about there on this first half of the trade. Okay. What else? That's basically, guys. Not much else to say. I will keep you guys updated. Okay, whatever happens, you know that as usual, I will upload the video on my blog at the end of the day once the trading session has finished. All right. Okay, folks. That's all. Bye bye. Hi guys. Yes, one quick update to let you know that I've been stopped out of my trade on the euro against the New Zealand dollar for minus 23 pips. Seems like price is decided to not go in my direction, despite the fact that, well, at least from a technical point of view, the setup was looking very nicely actually, but nonetheless this kind of thing happens. As a whole, I still believe that the trade is looking good. Okay, I perhaps mistimed my entry. However, I'm not gonna search for another entry level. Well, because it's already Friday afternoon, and I like to I'm not very keen on entering trades on Friday afternoon, so I will have to leave it for another day, for the next week. All right, okay guys, that was all for today. Minus 23 pips on this trade, and I'll be seeing you next week on the website. Bye bye.